Hey crypto fans, want to grab SPX6900 on CoinDCX? Let's do it fast, step by step. Open the website and let's dive in. Log in to CoinDCX with your email and password, or sign up if you're new. Enable 2FA for safety, then head to funds and deposit INR via UPI or bank transfer. It's instant with UPI. Once your funds are in, go to spot trading, search for SPX6900, type SPX in the search bar, and if it's listed, you'll see pairs like SPX INR or SPX USDT. Pick your pair and tap it. Hit buy, choose market order for speed, and enter the amount, like 500 INR. Check the price, then tap buy SPX. Confirm with your PIN or OTP. Boom. SPX 6900's in your wallet. Head to the funds again to see your SPX 6900. You can hold it, trade it, or send it to another wallet. It's that easy. Takes seconds once you're set up. Don't forget to verify your account for higher limits and watch SPX's price. It's a wild meme coin. Like and subscribe for more crypto guides.